welcome to my channel Technical Kushal. Today I show you how to download Intellij idea. Intellij idea basically it helps us to compile and run Java program. It is very good software. So let's start. First of all, open any browser. I open Google Chrome and here search Intellij idea. There is that link jetbrains.com. The link in the description box I gave you. Click here. Here is the first view website. So here is download. Click here. Here is two options. One is ultimate and second is community. Ultimate is a 30-day trial, then you need to buy. So we use free software and so download here community version or here Windows and zip Windows exe. We download Windows exe file. Click here download and let's start download. So I have already downloaded, so I cancel it. You can download. So then go to file manager. Here is a file. Click install. Is verifying. Let's take permission. Yes, I have already downloaded, so I again install it. And next, and next is the file or your destination file data. This is so next. So I choose any file. I change this file location. And next, it takes a time. And here next, and create extra shortcut 64-bit launcher. Click here and next, install. It start to install. It takes a time to install because this is very big size software. So if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel and support me. It extract all file, so needs time. Now install complete. Run Intellij idea. Click here. You can untick this. Finish. Where start opening. This is loading my project because I have already downloaded it. Here is the front view. You can file. Here is new project. And next. Here is project name Java and finish. This is the file. Click here and right left click, and here is the Java class. Click here and enter your project name Java 1. Enter. As a view, you can run any program here, and you click here to minimize it. Here is the front view. You can write your program and click here to run. Okay.